Hi, I'm here with Mark Jablon, who's the chairman of a 2D to 3D conversion company called 3D Solutions. And I'd like to start off by asking you, what is your product? What's the actual service you're providing people? I know it's 2D to 3D conversion, but what's your USP?
Well, basically, 3D Solutions can take any 2D content and convert it into 3D, both with and without glasses. So we're here at the 3D experience in Times Square, and everybody's viewing all the fabulous 3D displays, whether it be with glasses from LG, Samsung, projector systems from Texas Instruments. We also have here in this booth, we have no glasses systems from Magnetic and Tridelity. And regardless of what the panel is, whether it's a glasses system or no glasses system, our 3D conversion technology allows it to work on multiple formats, on cell phones, on iPads. It's really a fabulous tool.
Great. Do you have clients that come to you and they produce something in 2D with knowing that it's going to be converted into 3D, or is most of the things you're doing is something as an afterthought, oh yes, let's convert it into 3D?
Well, it's both. I mean, there's a ton of existing content which was never dreamed of in 3D. And now, because of this technology, we could take something like Scarface, Jurassic Park, Back to the Future. We could convert those classics into 3D. But then there's other things that people, because they're concerned about cost, they don't want to go ahead and do a 2-camera shoot. But if they plan it right with our consultants at 3D Solutions, we could go ahead and have them shoot it in a certain manner in 2D by putting something, say, in the center of the screen, so when we do the conversion, it really pops out for you. So it's more beneficial and cost efficient.
Great. In theory, could you convert anything? Could you go back and convert an old black and white Charlie Chaplin movie? I mean, I'm not saying the quality is going to be particularly good, but is it possible in theory?
In theory, it is possible to go ahead and convert almost anything. I leave that out and I say almost anything. We've done things like Scarface. We've taken old kung fu movies and done that. We've done digital stills, you know. So we've pretty much been able to convert anything that we've been able to get our hands on.
And the process itself must be incredibly time-consuming. I mean, can you just explain a bit more about that and what you put in place to reduce the time and the workflow?
Well, our conversion technology is 60% automated, 40% manual. And really the manual is just making sure that each shot is done just right and everything's positioned properly. And our technology utilizes certain algorithms to make sure every shot is positioned right, and the viewer gets a natural feeling when they're viewing 3D.
Great. And finally, I understand that you've got quite an unusual business model in the way you're taking it forward by offering licenses to others who would like to offer this service. Can you explain a bit more about that, please?
Sure. We find the basic problem that's out there in the 3D environment is what we call the 2 C's, cost and content. And in order to keep the overall cost down, what we've done is we've enacted a licensing plan, which obviously when you're talking about 3D technology, there's numerous aspects that you could do. You could do military, medical, entertainment. There's geographical concerns, you know, whether you're talking to casinos in Las Vegas or Los Angeles, or you're going overseas and doing Europe or Asia, you know. So rather than having a worldwide sales force and incurring such a dramatic cost, we said, you know what, let's go ahead and share the wealth, offer people licenses, and give them the opportunity to go ahead and make money utilizing our 3D technology while at the same time keeping our costs down and making it available to all the consumers.
So basically it's almost similar to a franchise. So you would be offering the service under your own branding. Behind the scenes, it's actually using the proprietary technology from 3D Solutions.
Right. Somebody who acquires a 3D license from us can go ahead and market the fact that they can do 2D to 3D conversions, and they could do it under their own brand name, utilize our technology, and take advantage of this worldwide marketplace.
great. And just to let you know, I saw some footage yesterday from 3DI Solutions. It's incredibly clever. I mean, I've always been a bit sort of cynical about conversions, so it definitely does work. It's just obviously something that's quite time consuming, but I think, you know, to talk about the software, you've managed to reduce that time, haven't you, by some of the automated things put in place. Fantastic. If you want to know more about 3DI Solutions, what is it, 3disolutions.com?
Yes. Please visit www.3disolutions.com.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for talking to me.
Thank you very much.
You.